Ja, du får titta själv.
My name is Färg Blanche.
And I am Färg, and we are the design studio Färg Blanche. We've been working together for almost 12 years now. I mean, we are also a couple, and now we've been 12 years in this studio as well. We've been in contact with Bolon almost from the start after graduation in one way. It's always been such a fantastic contrast to the furniture that we're doing, and we are deeply pushing the limits of what we can do with textile innovation, and that is also what Bolon has been doing. We got the mission to create an installation for the Swedish Presidency, the European Union, in Brussels, in the Europa buildings. And it contains several parts, for example the atrium where you enter, and then different places in the buildings around.
So we decided that we had to find a red thread that follow all the different places, not only the atrium but also the room and the art wall in the Europa building. And then we said, okay, why not doing a yellow thread? So our concept is called the yellow thread. So we have something to do with the yellow thread in all the space. Of course, the yellow is coming from the flag of Sweden, but also the European Union flag. It's also the color of happiness, creativity, sunlight. One of the biggest challenges was the atrium, because it's a really big space. It's like 1,000 square meters and really high ceiling. So we had to find a way to make an impact.
It was important to make a design that is possible to take down and then set up again after the meetings. We went to the place and we saw this barrier post, and then we got this idea, why not just take this symbol but open it up as an arch and as a welcoming alley to the Justus Lipsius building.
So we wanted to have a floor that really have a strong color, and we wanted to have a thread in the floor, not a flat floor. So we decided that Bolon was the best choice, and we were lucky enough to find the right color in the Bolon by Missoni Flame Pineapple. And this floor have this Missoni pattern that create a 3D effect, and it just makes the floor come alive and just really fit perfectly with the arches.
So the part that Bolon has in this project has actually been a major impact of the project. And as a collaboration, it's been very easy for us to work together, and the result is beautiful.